Hello friends, Paul Arakelyan here, Legacy Partners Insurance. I want to do a nice, short and sweet little video, another FYI type of situation. And this one, I'm holding the camera in my hands just so that I can show some things inside a real live policy of a person that really has bought this policy from us in 2006. And I'm going to show some things here on this policy so you guys can see how this thing really works versus all the other stuff that you guys hear about, people selling the Index Universal Life, the IULs, VULs, and this and that, and calling them whole life. So here's a real deal. So without showing what the woman's name and all that is on the illustration, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to change the camera angle, and this is what I want you guys to look at. So this is a policy that was a legacy 65, meaning that it pays off at age 65. And as you can see, in 12 years, this policy was bought in 2006, February of 2006, okay? This is from her file. In year 12, the policy is supposed to have $22,785 of cash value inside it, okay? And let's look at what she really has as far as I'm gonna cover the policy number. So this is what she's got: $23,587.33. This is the reality of the policy. So this is a real case, guys. This is not something that you buy today, somebody motivates you just because they're your friend or cousin, or somebody got in a business into the multi-level marketing scheme or something, and they're trying to convince you to go buy these things, and then you have no idea what the future is going to hold for those policies. It's just big promises. Okay, I have shown other policies. I've shown you an IUL where it showed that the policy's death benefit is not guaranteed. They're gonna lose the life insurance. So I want to show you one more time, and excuse me for doing this. I'm so sorry. This is for you guys' benefit, okay? So I'm gonna show you inside the policy. I'm going through the pages here that this policy will be paid off. So this here policy, the premiums based on guaranteed values, okay, guaranteed side, only continues for she was 40 years old when she bought this thing, paid off at age 65, no more payments after that. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next page. No more payments, it's zero. You see contract premium beginning here, it's all zeros, no more payments. The policy, however, is guaranteed all the way, the death benefit is guaranteed all the way to age 100. You see that? Age 100. Okay, no more payments, but the death benefit is guaranteed to that age. Now, this is what I'm talking about when I say on my TV shows, on the Armenian program, when I talk about guarantees, and when I'm doing live videos like this on Facebook and I talk to you guys about guarantees, this is what I'm talking about, folks. I'm talking about real policies with real guarantees, because if one day your non-guaranteed values are not being given to you, and you want to sue the company, you want to do this and that, guess what? You have no case, because they'll say they never ever promised you. No attorney will take your case. So I want you guys to understand the real value. So anytime somebody says this is a whole life, please, first of all, read on there. If it says universal life of any sort, universal life or flexible premium adjustable life, it's not a whole life policy. It has to read whole life on it, okay? So read the whole life policy for sure. And when you get an illustration, please look at the illustration and look at the guaranteed values. That's what matters to you, okay? So this was just a short, quick brief. This lady is going to be in my office in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. She has a 6:30 appointment for a policy review. We review our clients every year. Just make sure things that change in their lives are revealed on their contracts, because this is real contracts. I don't know how many people take it seriously, but I certainly do, and my organization does, Legacy Partners does. We talk to our clients every single year. We don't just make our commission and forget about these people and have them just collect dust on their policies. We review these policies every year because things change in people's lives. Their beneficiaries may change. Their things, just situations in life may change. So we do this thing every single year for our clients. She's coming in. I was just looking at the numbers. So when she comes in, I'll tell her how much cash value she's got and everything else. So we promised her $22,700. We're delivering $23,587 in year 12. And she's only been paying $165 a month. And she has a disability waiver, and this is not just a regular whole life. This is a whole life policy that pays off at age 65. So this woman's 52 right now. In 13 years, she'll be done paying it off. And currently, her policy is not $100,000. It's $109,000. So the policy's amount goes up too. When she's a lot older, she will have a lot more life insurance by having no more payments even after age 65. So call me if you want real, true, genuine, guaranteed life insurance policies. Call that number that's on your screen now and set up your appointments. For your kids, if you want to have a 10-payment life, just paid off in 10 years, those policies are still available. Try to grab some policies for your kids. They will thank you for the rest of your life for doing that kind of investment for them. Thank you very, very much.